In the diagram below of circle O, AO is 6 and measure of angle AOB is 30 degrees. What is the area in terms of pi of a shaded region? So because we have to find this area, shaded area, I will place the point on the arc C, for example. We have to find the area of this sector ACB, we can write. So the area of sector ACB will be equal to, in numerator we will have measure of arc ACB over 360 degrees times pi times square of radius. In this formula we need the r and measure of this arc. R we have given because AO is 6, AO is radius of our circle, so can write that R is 6. What else? To find the measure of angle A, arc ACA, we have to find measure of this angle. We have given angle AOB. So measure of angle ACB will be from 3, because full angle is 360 degrees. We have to subtract this part, angle AOB. So this is equal 360 degrees minus 30 degrees, so this is 30 degrees. We have measure of this angle, so measure of arc ACB is equal to 30 degrees, the angle ACB. When we have measure of this arc, we can just substitute to our formula and we will find the area of sector ACB. So area of sector ACB will be equal, measure of ACB arc we calculate as 330 degrees over 360 degrees times pi times r is 6 to second power. Because we have to find solution in terms of pi, so we will left the pi, we will not change this pi to the number 3.14. So this is equal, we can reduce degrees and zeros. So 33 and 36 we can also reduce by 3, so it will be 11 and 12. So we'll copy pi 11 over 12 times 6 to second power is 36. So this is equal 36 and 12 we can reduce. This is 1 and 3. So this is 11 times 3, so this is 33 pi we copy. We found the area of our shaded part of circle.